1.
All right, so we're looking at the volume of rectangular prisms. We'll look at triangular prisms later, but today we're looking at rectangular prisms. So what you got to understand, that volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. So the amount of space inside this block, okay? This would be your length, that would be your width, and that would be your height. So it says, example, the volume of the cube is all the space contained by the sides of the cube measured in cubed units. So the units would be centimeters cubed, which is the little 3, or millimeters cubed, or meters cubed, whatever it is. Okay, so remember that the little 3 indicates the cube. Now, 3 shows 3 lots of measurements: length, width, height. So to calculate the volume of a prism, we first need to calculate the area of the base of the prism. So this base here is what we have to look at. Now, we've been doing area all along. Okay, we've been doing area. So if I said to you, I just want you to do the area of the top or of the bottom. It's just a flat piece, so it's just length times width. That's the first place you start. So you do your length times your width and you get a number. With that number, you multiply it by your height. So the area of a base of this prism, rectangular prism, is length times width. Okay. So we find that the volume is the area of the base. So we said the length times the width times the height. So there are length times width times height. But we could say it in another way. We can say base times the height. So that's the area of this base. So you do your length times your width times your height. Or you could just go length times width times height. So you've got an option. Either your base, which is your length times width times your height, or length times width times height. Sometimes the questions will actually give you what your base is. They would have already worked the area of the base out, and then they want you to work out, and then they want you to multiply it by the height. If we change the base, so for instance, on this one, we've got 5. Okay, so we've got a length, a width, a height. So we work out what our base is. Our base is 5 times 4. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Then we take out 20 and we multiply it by the height. So 20 times 7 is 140. So there you go. Your volume is 5 times 4 times 7, as in length times width times height. Or you could just do your base. So that'll be 20 times 7. And there you go. You get 140 centimeters cubed. Does it matter which side is the base? Let's make this side the base. So we're going to go 4 times 7 is 28. And then 28 times 5. Let's see if it gives us a different answer. No, it doesn't. It gives us exactly the same answer. So it doesn't matter which side you work on. Work out the area of one of the sides, times it by the height. So if this is the base that you're looking at, then use that one as the height. If this is the base you're looking at, you can decide which height you want to go. All right, so I want you to go ahead and get the first question a try.